Just how resistant is Tromboncino Squash? Let me show you. Hey guys, it's Little Miss Wannabe Homesteader. It really is so cool to see how resistant Tromboncino Squash is to the powdery mildew and the squash bugs. Everything has been totally taken out in my garden. Everything is dying, but yet the Tromboncino Squash is thriving. Zucchini is actually just got hit. And I tried to attack it once it hit the cucumbers, but I was unsuccessful. Don't let these beautiful leaves fool you, because these actually are part of the Tromboncino plant. Over here to the Tromboncino, and this is actually all new leaves. It did look like this, and then it came back. It like fought its way through the powdery mildew. You could see that there are some leaves that died off, but it has new growth.
Sei lá pelo cabelo. Se for qual problema? Já viu rico namorar pobre?
Look at all these trombones. Most of my garden has come to an end. I tried 2 different things and it didn't work. So I've just given up. It's the end of the season. I'm letting it take over. Nature's taking its course. But the Tromboncino, it's still doing good. So if you want to try something new next season, put the Tromboncino Squash on your seed list. It's so much fun and you're gonna love it. I guarantee you'll be growing it every year. I have. If you guys haven't already checked out my Tromboncino video, I'll put the link below.
This is a belly button one. This is a belly button one.
Conhece? Não, e tu? Também não. Jeito de rica, né não? Por quê? Ah, sei lá pelo cabelo. Se for qual problema? Já viu rico namorar pobre?